Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and earlier today I made a video that I was going to pre-order the S22 Ultra and trade in my Fold 3, which is this device right here that I'm on. But I have had issues with the Samsung app, Samsung website all day. I've been trying to order this since about 1 o'clock, and it is now 11:09 at night. And the issue I'm having is it will either try to charge me for accessories, which it's not doing here, but it's supposed to be giving me a discount for using the app. So the 462 right there, and then if I go down here and I select, all that's selected, it's unlocked. We'll select green because that's the color that will deliver on the 28th. It looks like they're out of the Phantom Black now, which is annoying because before I couldn't even add it to the cart when they had that one in stock. We'll choose this device. We'll agree to that. No coverage. Pre-order now. So down here, let's see. So the price is supposed to be $277.49 with this trade-in. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm not going to add any accessories. It gives you the $250 credit, but I'm just going to skip that and go to the checkout. I already have one set with the accessories in the checkout, but when I get there, I will take that out. So there's the one I just added. Here's all the ones with accessories right here. Take it out, and it's trying to charge me $299. And then right here it's trying to charge me $299. So I don't understand. It's not taking the discount that they say they're giving you. As soon as you add it to the cart, it jacks the price back up. Now for this, it's only a like a $22 difference. But if you don't have that trade-in, then that is almost a $90 to $100 difference, if not more, depending on your what you're paying. If you're paying the full price, it's a lot bigger of a difference once you add it to the cart. So I don't know what's going on. The app has not been working all day. I've tried it on the website, not working. I couldn't add it to the cart earlier when they had stuff in stock, and now that I can add it to the cart, it's trying to change the price after it gets added to the cart. So huge bait and switch on Samsung's part, if you ask me. Pretty annoyed about that. So I'm probably just going to be keeping the Fold 3 for now. I like the phone. I was really just going to trade it in because I got it on sale, and the trade-in value is basically what I paid for it. And I like having the S Pen built into the phone rather than having to have a specific case to carry it like you do with the Fold 3. But now that Samsung's website's been not working for, I've been trying to order it for 10 hours and it's not working, I think I'll just keep this phone. So I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. If you have any issues, let me know down in the comments below as well. Have a great day.